The event is very important for not only investors, but for people who are trying to help them to invest, fund managers, wealth experts, because it's a forum for a change of ideas. And no one has all the answers. You've got to have a multitude of ideas before you can come to a decision that makes sense for you. And of course, each investor has individual requirements, individual problems that have to be solved. So I would think an event like this is really very useful. Well, the work I do is searching the world for bargains, basically. We're trying our best to find the best investment bargains in emerging markets. Of course, we believe in emerging markets. We believe in long-term growth of emerging markets. But at the same time, we have to be aware of what's happening globally, not only in emerging markets, but in developed markets. The main takeaway is that I was quite interested to see how these intelligent investors are learning the lessons of long-term investing. Many of the questions were not, that I received, were not focused on short-term ideas or short-term trends, but on a longer term, and that's a very good sign, because it means that these investors have really learned the lesson of long-term investing, which is the best way to invest. I think they've got to be focused on what's happening to the internet space, how the internet is impacting economic and political events. Every company in the world is impacted by the spread of communications, the speed of communications, and the plethora of ideas that is spreading. So you have to be much aware of that. The challenge is the volatility, because people get frightened by volatility and they tend to withdraw. They tend to not make any movement in any direction, and that's very dangerous. Because you have many people saying, oh, I don't know what's going to happen, so I'm going to stay in cash. That could be a big mistake, because you really should be invested in equities and bonds that can return over long-term better results.